My next recipe is Zucchini Slaw. So I'm going to peel my zucchini. Okay, people ask me why I peel my zucchini. I don't know why I peel my zucchini. I just do. But very good question. Okay, so got that. Oops. A carrot. Once again, my favorite. Cutting gloves, keep my fingers from getting scratched. Then I just throw it in the washer. You can go clear down to the nubbies. Next thing I'm adding is my mayonnaise or Miracle Whip, whichever you want. And I add just a titch, I mean like half a teaspoon of sugar. Just a sprinkle of salt. And then stir this all together. Oh, yum. That is delicious.
Done now. Very good.
Zucchini Slaw.
Oh, good grief.
Zucchini Slaw.
It's not the same as cabbage slaw, but I still like it. Do you like it?
Mm-hmm. It's good. It has a little different texture. Not quite as crunchy.
No, but it's still good.
Mm-hmm.